We don't really know what 2 degrees will mean. It's certain that the climate impacts that have already started to manifest, things like less sea ice, receding glaciers worldwide, all these things will continue as climate continues to warm. We've only warmed by a little bit less than 1 degree right now, so it's that much again in terms of climate impacts. There'll certainly be impacts on coral reef ecosystems. There'll probably be impacts on food production in particular tropical areas. There'll be changes in weather patterns, probably more extreme weather. We don't really know how much though, and the 2 degree target, most scientists would consider that to be really an upper limit of what would be considered safe in terms of the climate system. On the other hand, from the political side, it's seen as sort of maybe a realistic target in terms of what might be economically and politically feasible. So it is really a compromise between, I think, the scientific community who would prefer a lower target and the economic political community that might not prefer to do anything at all. Well, there's scientific complexities. I mean, there's lots of things we don't understand about the climate system. We don't really know how much temperature will change for a given set of emission scenarios. So the science itself has uncertainty. I think that plays out in the policy discussions as well. But then there's political complexity. I mean, the big challenge with climate is that it's not like there's a magic solution to the problem. It strikes right at the heart of our energy infrastructure. Fossil fuels basically provide all the energy we use, and in order to change that, we need to develop new energy technologies. So it's really a massive transition away from fossil fuel energy towards carbon-free energy. It's not something you could expect to happen overnight. If it was up to me, it would have started happening 20 years ago, but we're here now, and I think we can start in the right direction.